So dear, till now we have discussed the classification of the different industries. So industries were classified, yesterday we have discussed, on the basis of agro base, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of their suppose basic industries and consumer industries, on the basis of capital or investment, like small industries or large industries. So on the basis of ownership, joint, private sector, cooperative sector, government, public, like. So till now we have discussed the classification of the industries on the basis of finished product जो है output जो निकल के सामने आता है, like this. Today we are going to discuss about the agro-based industries. So agro-based industries, first industries we are going to discuss today's cotton textile industries. Cotton textile industries we will discuss. Later on we will discuss the jute, jute textile industries and what were the problem faced by the jute industries after separation of Bangladesh, because jute industries mostly develop in close या border on the Bangladesh and the India, maybe West Bengal or in such area. Jute industries are located mainly in Ugli River, means the inside the West Bengal. So why yeah, because causes will right. तो वो उसका रीजन ये क्वेश्चन आता है 3 और 5 मार्क्स में कि why most of jute industries located on the bank of Hooghly River. तो सिंपल है, फेवरेबल क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, favorable resources. So today we are going to discuss about the cotton textile industries. So cotton textile industry is the oldest industries of India, oldest सबसे पुरानी industries है. It is the oldest industries of India. First cotton mill was set up in 1854. क्योंकि आज का लेक्चर थोड़ा ऐसा है, मैं आपको केवल वर्बल लेक्चर दे सकता हूँ एंड लेटर ऑन आई सेंड द नोट्स. तो 1854 में बॉम्बे में फर्स्ट कॉटन मिल एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी. फर्स्ट कॉटन मिल इन 1854 मुंबई. तो फर्स्ट कॉटन मिल वाज एस्टेब्लिश इन मुंबई 1854. At the present, it is the largest industry in our country. Cotton textile industry सबसे बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है present time में. There are 1600 cotton textile industries are running in India. 1600 cotton textile mills are in our country. Cotton textile mills are mainly concentrated in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Maharashtra and Gujarat area. And in Gujarat, Ahmedabad is also known as the Manchester of India. You know very well. Ahmedabad is known as the Manchester of India. Just a wait. Yes. Manchester of India, Ahmedabad and Gujarat is known as the. So these are located on the Maharashtra, Gujarat. Due to the favorable climatic condition, important centers are Mumbai, Pune, and Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot. Gujarat में राजकोट है, सूरत also in Gujarat, and Mumbai you know very well, Pune in Maharashtra, and Ahmedabad in Gujarat. So these are the major center. Or in northern India, Agra, Kanpur, Hooghly, Chennai, Madurai. So these are the main center of the cotton textile. And cotton textile produced by the three method. First by the handlooms, जो oldest method था इंडिया का, handloom methods. तो it produced through the handloom methods. Second one is the power looms. Those are looms are running through the power or maybe the power resources, उनसे generate हो रहे हैं power looms. और third one is known as the mills, cotton mills. So there are three steps in this. We are producing the cotton textile by the handloom, old tradition method जो early time use किया जाता था, by power handlooms. Today handlooms are running through the different power resources. And third one is the mills with the industries. And cotton textile industries involve the weaving part, spinning part, dyeing part, design, tailoring, packing part. जैसा आपने शर्ट इन द मार्केट क्लास 7 पे स्टडी किया, तो इट इंक्लूड द वीविंग पार्ट है, स्पिनिंग है, डाइंग पार्ट है, डाई किया जाता है क्लोथ को, लेटर ऑन द पैकिंग आल्सो, बटनिंग आल्सो, बटन लगाए जाते हैं, लेटर ऑन एडवर्टाइजमेंट आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, लेटर ऑन द ब्रांड नेम मे बी brand name may be used, or later on such clothes may be sold inside the market. And India export are yarn और ready-made garment to USA and Japan, जो इंडिया एक्सपोर्ट करता है देयर गारमेंट एंड यार्न, यार्न मीन्स द क्लोथ जो थ्रेड गट्टे होते हैं, तो दे एक्सपोर्ट टू द यूएसए, जापान, यूके, फ्रांस, नेपाल एंड श्रीलंका. So these are the main features of our cotton industries, and cotton textile industries are facing many problems like a good quality of cotton. Main problem today we unable to arrange the good quality of cotton is the main problem for a cotton textile industries, and main cotton growing area went to Pakistan after dividation. Our main growing area is went to Pakistan. Third reason, old machines, yeah, old handlooms method, old technology we are using today, and power supply. There is the no proper power supply in lot of areas, and low productivity of labor. Low productivity means the during the fixed hours, they such quantity produced by the labor means the low productivity. कि one day में they unable to make the such quantity clothes, those are made up by the other nations. And दो competition of the synthetic fiber. टुडे मार्केट में जो मोस्टली सिंथेटिक फाइबर यानी सिंथेटिक क्लोथ्स होते हैं, जैसे लाइक योर ट्रैक सूट, नायलॉन टी शर्ट, और सच क्लोथ्स आर अवेलेबल इन मार्केट. और व्हाट आर द गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ कि देयर कलर इज नेवर फेड, कभी भी कलर फेड नहीं होता है जो सिंथेटिक होते हैं नायलॉन. ओके, तो दिस आर द कंपटीशन और मे बी द प्रॉब्लम फेस बाय द कॉटन टेक्सटाइल. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, वी हैव डिस्कस द फर्स्ट टॉपिक कॉटन टेक्सटाइल. First mill was set up in 1854, Mumbai. There are 1600 more than mills. This cotton textile are extend in Maharashtra and Gujarat borders, mostly Pune, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Mumbai, Madurai, Surat. These are the main center in northern India. Also, so these are the main center of cotton textile industries. It produced in three steps: by handloom, by power handloom, or by mills, cotton mills. Like in, you can see the cotton industries in your Bhilwara also. There are a lot of mills are maybe on the four lane, on the both side of the four lane, like a between Hamirgarh to till Bhilwara. So Bhilwara, also known as the Manchester of Rajasthan. Manchester is the name of a Manchester is the city which famous for the cotton industries inside UK, in UK. So that's why Bhilwara is known as the Manchester of Rajasthan, and Ahmedabad is known as the Manchester of Gujarat. Sorry, India, not Manchester of India. So these are the points we have discussed in cotton, or where we export our yarn to UK, Japan, okay, and USA and Nepal. So these are the countries where we export our yarn, or maybe the ready-made garments. Or what are the competition synthetic clothes is competition में low productivity rate for by the laborers. Third challenge is there are old tradition method we are using, no proper electricity or power resources are available. Third, no such good quality of cotton available, or major problem our cotton producer area went to the Pakistan. So these are the main point we have discussed related to cotton industries. अब नेक्स्ट वन, जूट टेक्सटाइल. अब जूट यू नो वेरी वेल, जूट टेक्सटाइल का क्या यूज है? फॉर ए पैकिंग बॉक्स, पैकिंग बॉक्स या बैग्स बनाते हैं हम फॉर ए पैकिंग, तो दिस विल बी यूज. तो जूट इंडस्ट्रीज जैसे नेम आता है, यू नो वेरी वेल, इट कंसंट्रेट इन वेस्ट बंगाल एंड बांग्लादेश. तो इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ रॉ जूट एंड जूट गुड्स. दिस आर अबाउट द 70 jute mills in our country. 70 jute mills. in our country or largest producer of the jute. First jute mill was set up in Kolkata 1859. First jute mill was set up in Kolkata 1859. बेटा अभी मैं जो आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, later on you will make the notes or okay, make the single sentence answer or one word answer. Such question may be asked during the exam. One marks question है कि when first mill was set up, when a first jute mill was set up 1859 where in Kolkata. Okay, most of the jute mills are located along with the Hooghly River. Due to the favorable conditions, moisture are available. Jute is used to making the rope and the beds, carpet. Bihar, UP, Assam, Tripura have the jute mills. Bihar है, UP part है, Assam part है, Tripura है. These are the major jute producer area or major jute mills are located. Jute industries are facing problem like main jute producing area went to the Bangladesh. Okay, very good. One cotton textile industries area is gone to the Pakistan और जूट इंडस्ट्रीज went to the बांग्लादेश. एक बांग्ला ईस्टर्न पाकिस्तान में चला गया, अनदर वन इन वेस्टर्न पाकिस्तान. एंड सेकंड हाई प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट. प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट बहुत ज्यादा होती है इसकी, दो प्रोसेस है, लेबर आर रिक्वायर्ड और प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट आर. डिक्लाइन डिमांड ऑफ जूट इन इंटरनेशनल मार्केट. थर्ड रीजन, क्योंकि देर इज द लेस डिमांड बाय द इंटरनेशनल मार्केट, क्योंकि दे आर यूजिंग द अदर पैकिंग बॉक्स और रोप नाइलोन. और वाई सब में एक ही रीजन है, सिंथेटिक फाइबर. टुडे वी आर यूजिंग इन प्लेस फॉर मेकिंग द रोप, रस्सी बनाने के लिए इनके लिए क्या नाइलोन यूज हो रही है, फाइबर यूज हो रहा है, सिंथेटिक फाइबर. ओके, तो दैट्स व्हाई हाई प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट, डिक्लाइन डिमांड ऑफ द jute in international market or competition from the synthetic fiber are the major problems for jute industries. Up next, there are 69 jute mills are located in a 2 kilometer broad along the Hooghly River. Out of 70, 69, out of 70, 69 jute mills are located close to the हुगली रिवर. जो हुगली रिवर है उसके आसपास विद इन 2 किलोमीटर रेडियस 69 जूट मिल्स आर लोकेटेड. The area provide the many favorable conditions required for this industry. What are the favorable conditions? See, first point, raw jute is available in West Bengal and the Bangladesh. जो रॉ मटेरियल होता है जूट, जूट यू नो यू सीन द जूट प्लांट, नहीं देखा होगा, आई होप नहीं. चलो भाई, एक जूट प्लांट होता है और आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस टू मेक ए जूट, बट इन आर इंडिया हाउ टू दे मेक द रॉ पोल लाइक सच, आई नो वेरी वेल. कि फर्स्ट ए जूट प्लांट मे बी आफ्टर हार्वेस्टेड it may be submerged inside the water for 3 or 4 days के लिए उसको पानी में रखा जाता है. Later on after, जैसे like suppose एक जूट है, after 2 or 3 days when it inside the water, later on it may be by the those who make the root, so their skin may be separated by the plant. जो उसकी स्किन मतलब जस्ट कवर पार्ट में भी सेपरेटेड बाय द प्लांट, अलग कर लिया जाता है लाइक दिस. उस अलग जो किया जाता है उसको ए मेक ए थ्रेड बाय ए हैंडलूम, सो लाइक दिस, और हाउ टू दे मेक द रोप. तो रो जूट अवेलेबल फ्रॉम द वेस्ट बंगाल एंड वेस्ट बंगाल इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ जूट. व्हाई इज द जूट इंडस्ट्रीज कंसंट्रेट नियर द हुगली रिवर? वी आर डिस्कसिंग द रीजन. सेकंड, coal of energy is brought from the nearby Raniganj coal field. So if coal is required to produce the jute industries or in jute industries, so coal may be arranged through the Raniganj coal mines. Next one, Hooghly River provide the water for washing and cleaning the jute. Water, lot of water is required to cleaning and washing for jute. So Hooghly River provide these facilities. And warm and humid climate is very favorable to cultivation of jute. Hot climatic conditions are required because Tropic of Cancer passes below the Tripura like this, and the water is easily available for the jute crop. and Kolkata metro cities provide the capital and market where they can solve their jute crop. So Kolkata provide the market and capital. Market means the where they can sell their product, and capital also investment where the owners can invest. So capital also provided by the Kolkata, and Hooghly River also provide the cheap water transport through the Hooghly rivers. Cheap water transport means the ship or like this, क्योंकि सबसे जो cheap transport है that is the water transport, so it's provided by the Hooghly rivers. So that's why most of jute industries are set up along the Hooghly river. Enough for today. Okay, I'm to.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank